10 amazing techs and gadgets in 2022. 1. Role of autonomous robots moving shelves or racks with cardboard boxes in automated warehouses. This German or Thailand robotics in various warehouses have been embedded with special qualities in carrying out an active aid process in freight transportation, container transportation, independent delivery, and special autonomous technology which re-evaluates human industrial revolution. Such a beauty to behold. 2. Forklift operator in a shipping warehouse moves heavy loads of various pallets of inventory from one long distance terrain to another varying terrain. The category of workers involved in this industrial process are majorly adults between 35 to 39 years, which are referred to as blue-collar workers. Forklifts can as well proficiently load and unload railway cars, elevators, tractor trailers, and straight trucks, hence why they come in various sizes and varieties. 3. Autonomous delivery robotic drones flying in a warehouse in order to successfully and efficiently deliver goods and services supplied to various affiliate customers. These robotic gadgets and equipment come in various patterns, sizes, and varieties according to their uses, purpose, and evaluated needs. We have the drone with amazing surveillance camera used to spy and control various aspects of the industry or functions security system. There is also the radio-controlled hexacopter flying machine used as a photographic equipment and other various multi-purpose functions. We also have the slow-mo airborne drone flying within the Croatian region between 10 seconds and greater, captured in a 4K resolution. There is also the one called the cargo drone. This special delivery tool is captured taking off beside a hybrid truck to a delivery cargo container. This one is a proficient tool for fast delivery. 4. A futuristic factory digitalization with information showing efficiency percentage of high-tech modern electronic facility. Employs the CNC automatic machinery manufacturing products using LOT. This is used to carry out intrinsic activities in manufacturing, technological fixation, management of Internet of Things, and several series of augmented artificial intelligence programs. 5. Footage of an industrial robotics contrived as an automatic machinery from a factory, used in manufacturing, control, conveyor, production line, etc. It consists of variation segments used in carrying out engineering functions, accuracy management, several businesses implantation strategy and forms. Here is a track from an automated robotic armament industry used to implement swift operations. There is also an automated robotic arms holding 2 CDs operating on tracks in a factory. There is also a footage of many of cardboard boxes moving on industry conveyor in a facility for safety of the finished product or goods. 6. The modern cable manufacturing plant. This automated infrastructure equipment is used for series of cable packaging conveyor line, successful redirection of the copper metals, manufacturing of cable of various sizes and qualities, and lots more. This cable manufacturing plant is a special utility tool used in manufacturing cables from an ingot, which is basically a big block of pure copper, which is then stretched into long strands. These copper wires are stretched and created by forcing the metal through a series of extrusion dies to create a particular shape. This equipment is known as the extrusion machine. 7. The CS Modern Factory producing household appliances. Here is a wild crane shot of a modern factory producing household appliances shot in Slovenia. Here is a part of window frame production line. This amazing tech is used in carrying out automatic drilling processes of modern household equipment in the factory. Here is also a footage of an equipment in the factory of manufacturing plastic bags, setting it up as a refined finished product. Whoa, I do want to have this for myself. 8. The manufacturing for plastic canisters for liquid fertilizers at production line. This technological equipment is used for the corrosive manufacturing of large white canisters for liquid fertilizers transported by automatic production line in plant workshops. These plastic containers are made amazingly sophisticated for the storage of fertilizer liquid substances. 9. The gripping machine moving boxes from a factory conveyor. This boisterous technology is embedded with the following characteristics: manufacturing equipment, agricultural machinery, and a firm dynamic arm for mobilization of a finished product, which is captured in a 4K resolution. This technological prospect has made the day-to-day transportation of goods and services not only easier but also free of manpower stress and time consumption. 10. Modern machine rapidly attaching face mask earlobes at a face mask manufacturing factory. This outstanding and resourceful technological equipment is used to carry out effectively the saturated mask making action, automatic protection of the medical clothing production. Here is the 4K resolution footage of a factory worker picking up face masks from a conveyor belt. Also, we have the close-up line of hygiene mask making producing machine, which is working to generate lots of products in workplaces during virus pandemic and high demand for protective masks. For more of our content on amazing techs and gadgets, please click on the subsequent video clip. Thank you.